Ever wondered how some businesses seem to magically appear at the top of your Google search results? That's the power of Google Ads, a platform that allows you to create targeted online advertisements at its core. Google Ads operates through a system of campaigns, ad groups, and keywords. Campaigns are like the overarching structure, while ad groups organize your ads around specific themes. Keywords are the terms people type into Google that trigger your ads. Google Ads offers a variety of campaign types to suit your business goals. Search campaigns place your ads on Google's search results pages. Display campaigns show visual ads across a network of websites and apps. Video campaigns let you run ads on YouTube. Shopping campaigns promote your products directly to shoppers, and app campaigns help you get more downloads. Getting your ads in front of the right audience is crucial. Google Ads provides robust targeting options, allowing you to reach people based on demographics like age and gender, their interests, their location, and even the devices they use. Now, let's talk about bidding. This is how you tell Google how much you're willing to pay when someone clicks on your ad. You can choose manual bidding, where you set your bids yourself, or opt for automated bidding strategies like Target CPA, Target ROAS, or Maximize Clicks, where Google optimizes your bids for you. Ultimately, Google Ads is a powerful tool that, when used strategically, can drive targeted traffic to your website, generate valuable leads, and boost your sales. So, dive in, explore the options, and start leveraging online advertising to reach your marketing goals.